Hi, my name's Yvette, and I've been looking for years for a natural deodorant that worked for me, and I ran across Natural Living by Design. They have a deodorant that's a mist, and I've used the lavender and jasmine and the tea tree and floral, and I love it. You can spray it in places that you might feel a little uncomfortable with sometimes during the day, but when you use it in the morning after you shower and you spray it, it works all day. I love it, love it, love it. Great product. Natural Living by Design also has supplements that I've started using in my regimen, and everything is just working fabulously. I have absolutely no complaints, and I recommend, if you're looking, try them. Try the products out through Natural Living by Design. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for your time.